The human heart is a muscular organ, the main organ of the cardiovascular system. The parts of the heart work together to move blood through your body in a coordinated way. It constantly sends oxygen to your cells and takes away waste. It is vital for life. Your heart contains four muscular chambers that briefly hold blood before moving it again. Electrical impulses make your heart beat, moving blood through these chambers. The heart also controls the rhythm and speed of your heart rate. A normal resting heart rate should be between 60 to 100 beats per minute. Athletes or people who are very fit may have resting heartbeats of less than 60 bpm. When you engage in physical activity, your heart rate increases to supply more oxygen to your active muscles. The more effort your body exerts, the quicker your heart will pump. If you're exercising hard, it's normal for your heart rate to get up to 160 beats per minute, or even more. Your heart can beat faster when you feel strong emotions, like fear, excitement, or anxiety. Other things can make your heart beat faster, like caffeine, nicotine, recreational drugs, and some kinds of medications. The last function of the heart is maintaining blood pressure. Blood pressure is the amount of force your blood uses to get through your arteries. Your blood pressure doesn't stay the same at all times. It changes based on what you're doing. When you're exercising or excited, your blood pressure goes up. When you're resting, your blood pressure is lower. Other things that can raise your blood pressure includes age, some medications, and changes in position. Known as the silent killer, high blood pressure has no symptoms, but can damage your heart, kidneys, and brain before you even know anything is wrong. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Without treatment, high blood pressure can cause transient ischemic attacks, stroke, heart attack, enlarged heart, heart failure, peripheral artery disease, aneurysms, kidney disease, and broken blood vessels in your eyes. Your brain and nervous system direct your heart's function. Your nervous system helps control your heart rate. It sends signals that tell your heart to beat slower during rest and faster during stress. Your heart works with your endocrine system too, which sends out hormones. These hormones tell your blood vessels to constrict or relax, which affects your blood pressure. Each day, your heart beats around 100,000 times. This continuously pumps about 5 liters of blood around your body. Now we have a better understanding on what the heart does and why it's so important, in fact, crucial to life. In part 2 of this series, Human Heart Anatomy, we see what the human heart looks like. We cover the parts of the heart, like the atriums, valves, and heart walls.